What's going on, guys? Me and Bubba, back from ACG. I don't know if you guys watched the other video yet, but remember how we said that we were thinking of stuff to do, and like how the shifter was all shitty? Well, they delivered. We ordered.
We got some parts.
We got some parts. So, alright. So remember how we had that little shitty door? Well, I ordered a new door handle thing. So we're gonna be installing that today. So the shifter, because remember I told you guys that it was a little like loose, That was like going like this. But yeah, we got some. We got this. So we're gonna be installing that. All right, so open yours.
What's this? A Secret Santa?
I got a little Pokemon, bro.
All right, so
we got a short throw shifter. Show him, Bubba.
Uh-oh. Boom.
But yeah, we got nice little shifter boot.
Is that a cape?
Cape. I think it's a hat. But yeah, we're gonna be installing that today. So let's get right to it, Bubba.
All right, let's go.
Ooh.
Hurry up, you better lower it before the shit crashes.
Look, it's leaning.
Hurry up, lower it.
Alright. Butters, what are you doing on the floor? Get to work. Alright, guys. Look, this is where like the shifter is gonna go. We're gonna replace like this bearing thing. And this piece right here. This piece right here. Let me see if I get a good angle. We're gonna replace this piece right here. And this right here. And I think this right here. So in order for us to do that, I think we're gonna have to remove the exhaust, which all we have to do is basically remove these two bolts right here. It will drop down, and then like this thing with this long piece thing right here, it's gonna drop down with it. Alright, so those two bolts right here, we removed those two bolts, but now we gotta just like twist off the knob.
We gotta get these friggin' screws off, but they're acting a little naughty, so we had to spray a little WD-40.
Hopefully that works. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Perfect. At this point, we were just like, yo, forget about the screws. We started stripping them, so we just wanted to start the install. So we just skipped this part, and we were gonna finish it later.
This 14.
Tripod broke.
Yeah.
Piece of shit.
Tripod stuck, man. Alright, Bubba just grabbed me some tools. What me and him are gonna do is just take these off so that way we can lower the exhaust. So we can get access to like the shifter. Freaking Honda.
Yo, one thing to remember on Hondas, the parts don't match.
Wow, that's crazy. This was a 12 and this is a 13. Oh, I just got that in my eye. Freaking rust bucket. That scared me. Alright, watch out, Butters.
Holy shit.
Springs flying everywhere. Oh, shoot. Butters.
Bro, I just saved your
Look at this.
life, bro.
Look how close I am. This kid wants to kill me. I'm over here.
Saved your life.
You almost killed me.
Bro, this shit's wavy.
Look at it over here. It's all like dangly.
Bro, that's bad.
I know it's bad. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Big boy power.
Oh my god, that's so crazy.
Bro, and I was driving this like all the way back home when I bought it. Bro, I was so scared. Like, when I got in, I was like, "Is this supposed to do that?" He was like, "Oh no, you gotta get that fixed." Oh yeah, thanks, buddy. Just give it to me all fucked up.
Brace yourself.
Wow. Now I can't even take it out because it's freaking. Which how you hold it, because I'm gonna push down because this thing. Oh, that scared me. Way easier, right? Hell yeah. Alright, it's coming off?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Look how dirty this is. What do you guys think? You guys think I have an oil leak or a gasket leak? Comment down below what do you think I have. 'Cause I don't know what I have.
Instead of trying to do it the fast way, we're just going to take the long route, which is easier. I'm just going to remove the other rod. Because Chris said he got bushings for that side anyway, so we might as well just replace them.
I think I do. I don't know if it's for this. We need those ratchetable ones. That's our next buy. We're gonna buy ratchetable ones. Cause I'm gonna get arthritis by the time I'm done with this.
Well, would you look at that?
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Chris, tell him what's wrong with that, Chris?
Has no bushings.
So you mean to tell me while you were in 5th gear and in neutral at the same time because of that?
Yeah, look at this. Like, let's compare the new and old. Ready?
That's unbelievable.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's weird because it's not like a...
It's not even a nut. Like,
yeah, it's not even a nut. It just has like, I don't know how to explain it. Well, we're gonna take it off right now. Alright.
like look at this shit.
Like, I don't even know what is that.
Like, that ain't even got a head on it.
I know. Let's see how we're gonna take the other one off.
You know what I gotta say to that? Fuck out of here. Alright guys, well Chris is doing whatever he's doing. I think he's getting a little brush to clean the little this plate off. So we took that out. That was a bitch. Like this stupid friggin' nut. Like what is this thing? So this is the new shifter compared to the old one. Obviously we gotta put this back on.
Put a lot. Put some in here too. The more the merrier, right?
The more lube, the more she fits.
I think that's good.
Look at that.
Like a glove.
Do what we did last time. Like a glove, baby.
Ooh. Be JDM as fuck. That's it. Look at that. What a beauty. Alright. So we took the old bushings off of the old one. It was like this. We just took that off. Cleaned them off. They were really rusted. So now what you want to do is just apply the lubricant. Just
Heard that before.
like that.
Clean off your surface.
I should put some in here. So you guys are gonna think, well, it doesn't fit. Well, duh, because when the bolts squeeze together, they're gonna go like this.
Like a glove.
Like a glove, buddy. Alright, we just put this back on, and like off the back, this feels like a much stiffer. Like it's harder to show you on camera. Like,
So we're gonna bring this under the car, and then we'll show you it. We're gonna test fit it and then probably gonna install it in the next couple minutes.
Alright guys, right now Bubba's bolting on the shifter part. I just put this in right now. It was a pain. Like to line these up, it was so hard. But I had him hold it up while I was trying to hit it with a mallet so we can get it like perfect. But right now he's over here. All we have to do is just
Put this rod
back on. We do it again. That'll give him a headache. Time out, headache. Ah. Doing that.
Alright, fast forward in 3, 2, 1. This part is done. Now, just gotta shift up to the interior. Haha, get it? See what I did there?
That's me like pushing it. So this is first right here. Second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Look how easy it was. Like Bubba, he's gonna show you like before and after. Like this would move like side to side. It was like crazy.
Or right when you guys see that on the side, I'm gonna put the before footage, and the way that knob just shakes is absolutely unbelievable.
It was crazy.
Like, I can't believe the difference that it made, and this isn't even my car. I can't assume.
Yeah, we did a good job, bro.
ACG to the rescue, man.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, we'll see you guys later. ACG
We're
out.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in season.
Let's see it.
Look at that, bro.
Wiggle it. See if there's any play.
Look at that plate right there.
Nothing at all. That's crazy.
Look at the downshift, ready?
Wow. That's unbelievable. I can't wait to see the boot and the new shifting up.
Yeah.
Coming soon, baby. Coming soon.